Hello friends, this is Diya and today we will be making this super soft and very easy meat to make mug cakes. So let's begin. So first in a bowl we will take 80 grams of wheat flour. You can also take all-purpose flour. Now into that add 16 grams of cocoa powder. Next, add 40 grams of powdered sugar. We will also add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in it. Now, we will mix these ingredients well. After we have mixed all the ingredients well, we will add 6 tablespoons of normal oil in it. Next, add in half cup of milk gradually. Now, keep on adding milk and keep on mixing it until you make a smooth batter. The batter was a bit thick, so I added a little bit of milk. So now our batter is ready. It should be of flowing consistency like this. Now we will pour this batter into 2 microwave safe mugs and then we will bake it. Now put these in the microwave for approximately 1 minute. Now our mug cakes are out from the microwave. Let's eat it now. Look how soft and spongy this is. These cakes are very easy to make. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also, the link for Instagram is given in the description box below.